Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Hisense AX3100Q 3.1Ch soundbar with wireless subwoofer, a budget-friendly yet powerful system that brings Dolby Atmos, DTS, and deep cinematic sound right into your living room. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description below to grab it today at the best discounted price online, because this one's a deal you don't want to miss. Design and build. The Hisense AX3100Q comes in a clean, modern design that pairs nicely with any TV setup. The soundbar is slim and low profile, while the included wireless subwoofer adds that extra punch to your bass without cluttering your space. Setup is super simple with Hisense's EzPlay and Easy Up features, which make pairing and mounting a breeze. Sound performance. This soundbar is all about immersive audio. With 3.1 sound, you're getting a dedicated center channel for crystal clear dialogue, plus left and right channels for wide sound staging. The Dolby Atmos and DTS support give you a true 3D audio experience, perfect for movies, gaming, and music. The wireless subwoofer delivers rich, deep bass that fills the room, while the 7 EQ modes let you fine-tune the sound to your preference, whether it's movies, sports, gaming, or music. Features and connectivity. Connectivity is where the AX3100Q shines. Bluetooth 5.3 for strong, stable wireless streaming. HDMI eARC/eARC, Optical, and USB inputs for flexible connections. Roku TV Ready certification, meaning seamless integration if you're pairing it with a Roku TV. Pros and cons. White check mark emoji, pros. Dolby Atmos plus DTS for immersive 3D sound. Wireless subwoofer for deep, powerful bass. Roku TV Ready with smooth integration. 7 EQ modes for customizable sound. Budget-friendly with premium features. Warning emoji, cons. No rear speakers, limited to 3.1 channels. Bass is strong but not as earth-shaking as larger 5.1 plus systems. Final verdict. The Hisense AX3100Q 3.1Ch soundbar with wireless subwoofer is one of the best value soundbars of 2025, offering Dolby Atmos, DTS, and powerful bass at an affordable price. If you're looking to upgrade your TV audio without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic choice. Right pointing finger emoji, don't wait, click the link in the description below to grab the Hisense AX3100Q today at the best discounted deal available before it sells out.